Today, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Calendar with ClickUp in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful setup if you want to keep your tasks, deadlines, and schedule all in one place without constantly switching between apps. Once your Google Calendar is connected, you can manage your time more efficiently, stay organized, and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open your ClickUp Workspace and make sure you're signed into the correct account. This is important if you manage more than one workspace or team, because you want the calendar connected to the right place. Once you're inside ClickUp, look at the left-hand menu and click the planner icon. The planner is where ClickUp keeps scheduling and calendar-related features, so this is the section you need to access to start the connection process. After clicking the planner icon, you should see an option for Google Calendar. Go ahead and click the Google Calendar button. This tells ClickUp that you want to begin linking your calendar account to the platform. Next, ClickUp will ask you to select the Gmail account that is already linked to the Google Calendar you want to use. If you have more than one Google account, be careful here and choose the correct one, since this determines which calendar will sync with ClickUp. After selecting the right calendar-linked Gmail account, ClickUp will take you through an authorization screen. This step gives ClickUp permission to access your Google Calendar data, which is necessary for the connection to work properly. Review the permissions carefully, then click Authorize Access to continue. Once you approve the connection, ClickUp will finish linking the two accounts for you. And just like that, you're done. Your Google Calendar is now connected with ClickUp, which means you can start using the two together to stay on top of your schedule and manage your work more smoothly. This is one of the easiest ways to bring your planning and task management into one system, especially if you rely on calendar-based productivity. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.